Alright guys, so we are still on our postcard design for real estate business in Adobe Photoshop. So the next thing we are going to do here is to input the company name and company logo. So in this case now we have to locate the background layer again. Now having located the background layer again, then we have to come back to the type tool. Then here we type the company name. So I'm going to make use of my brand name Excel Graphics and multimedia. So I'll press Ctrl A to highlight. So I'm going to increase the font size since we still have more space right here. Okay. I think I'm satisfied with that. Then I'll click on this to accept. Now here is going to be company name. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to come back to my shape tools. Sorry. I will right click on my shape tools now and I will select rectangle. So from the top here, I will draw a rectangle here. And I'll select my move tool. Now I have to locate the company name. I'll press Ctrl key down and select the company name. Then I will have to align it to align vertical center. Now I have to come here to make some adjustments. So we make your dream home. So I will press enter key to move to the next paragraph, and I'll select this, move to. Now I have to select the big text here and I'll take it down a little bit. Okay, so I have to look for features and I'll press shift key on my keyboard and select the last sentence there, and I'll press Ctrl T to open the transform tools. Oh, I don't think so, that was a mistake. So it should be from duplex to the features, then shift key and select the features, then Ctrl T to open the transform tools. Now I can drag and take it down a little bit right here. And I'll click on this transform, confirm transform. Then here I'll have to change the font name here. So I have to select my type tools now. Then I'll click on the text. Now press Ctrl A to highlight. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to come back to the font type here and change my font type from Roboto to another font type. I'm going to make use of this font right here, Avast. Okay, then I'm going to increase the font size. I think I'm good with that. Right, so from the top here, so we have to locate the background layer again. So from the top here, we can just select the type tool, and here is going to be, I will change the font type to Roboto. So the top is going to be company website, so you can just say visit www.website.com. So this is going to serve as the company website. So we're going to select this, and I'm going to change this to black, this black here. I click on OK, and I'll select my move tool. Then I can position this right here. Right here. So visit www.something.com. So this is how you make the front page of your real estate postcard design in Adobe Photoshop. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this simple real estate postcard design. So the next thing I'm going to do is to save this file in print format. So all you have to do to save your file is to go to File here and click on Save As. So when you click on Save As, you can now decide the kind of format you're going to save your file. So the first one here, I'm going to save it in PSD file format. So let me look for where I'm going to, so Photoshop design project. So this is going to be the destination. Then I'll click on Save. Then I'll click on OK. So when your document is underground saving, you will notice that something is counting right here. So once this is complete to 100%, it's going to change it to document, that is DOC format. So that is when you will be sure that your file has been fully saved. All right, so you can see right here, so document. So the other method by which you can save your file for print is to save in a PDF or JPEG. So I'll go to File again, and we'll look for Save As. Now from the point here, we have to come here and select PDF. Then you click on Save. And click on OK. So everything looks good here. Make sure that this is always in higher resolution quality for print, and you click on Save PDF, and then click on Yes. So the same thing is going to happen right here. You're going to notice that your document is saving under the background. So with this format, you are good to go with your print design. So if you want to save in JPEG file format, you still have to follow the same procedure. If you want to save in PNG file format, you follow the same procedure. So this is how you play around with saving documents in different file format. And I hope you guys learn one or two things in this our practical postcard design in Adobe Photoshop, and I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.